Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burrito like Taco Bell Easy Guide. Start by prepping fillings: seasoned beef, beans, rice, cheese, and mild sauce. Cook beef with a simple spice mix, heat rice with a pinch of salt, and warm beans until just tender. Layer fillings evenly on a warm tortilla, fold sides, then roll tight. Finish by lightly toasting the seam for a crisp hold and better texture. For authentic flavor, toast spices briefly before adding to cooked beef or chicken to deepen taste. Mix chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and a touch of sugar for balance. Combine seasoned meat with drained beans and warm rice to get the right bite and moisture. Keep sauce light and add cheese last so it melts over warm fillings, making every bite cohesive and satisfying. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: the product seen here makes meal prep simple and keeps burritos neat for on the go, perfect for packing lunches and saving time. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set that fits your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Lay a warm tortilla flat and add fillings in a narrow line slightly below center for easier folding. Fold the bottom up, tuck sides in, then roll firmly to compact ingredients and avoid gaps. Toast seam side down on a hot pan for about 1 minute to seal and create a slight crust. Let cool briefly before serving to keep fillings from spilling and to let flavors settle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.